You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, bed liner, heated front seat, front tow hooks, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.